Good morning, P3 students. Today is Wednesday and it's the 11th of, today is Wednesday and it's the 10th of June 2020. So I was thinking it's 11 already. So today is Wednesday and it's the 10th of June 2020. So our topic for today is that we are just going to go through your book, Science Learner's Book, and open it to page 52. So again, please get your book and open it to page 52. So if you are ready, let me know. If you are not, I'll give you 1 minute or a few seconds to get your book and so you can read along with me. Okay? All right. Welcome back. Okay, so here for this page, we are going to see the testing material. So in this experiment, they are doing some things that for them to check if it is waterproof or not waterproof. We know that waterproof, the water cannot go through a material, right? And we already discussed yesterday that plastic are waterproof, and also same with rubber. Okay, but paper, what else? Paper, fabric, cottons are not waterproof. Okay, so here, so you have your book, right? So you can just read along with me. Okay, here we are using some fabric, paper, metal foil. Metal foil are like the plastic silver color that we cover with the leftover foods, and a funnel. This is a funnel, a cylinder, a measuring cylinder. This one, and also a timer. Okay, since we cannot do this in class, I'm just gonna explain it to you. Okay. So here, which material is best for an umbrella or a raincoat? So an umbrella needs to be waterproof. For that, which material will be the most waterproof? The waterproof materials will not let the water through. So again, which one do you think is, which materials do you think are the most waterproof here, or is the most waterproof? So again, we have fabric, paper, metal foil. So only three. So here, number one is the first step. They prepare all the materials. So the materials to test. They need a funnel to put the water in the cylinder, and this is a measuring cylinder. Step number two, place your material in the funnel. So here, first, this kid is putting the paper in it. So inside, they are going to test the paper, um, the fabric, and the foil. So if it's not so clear with you, just let me know and I can show you how it's done. Okay. So look at the pictures to see what to do. Write your results in a table. What will you keep the same to make this test fair? So here the only materials that we change are fabric, paper, and metal foil, right? And also I'm going to show you a video the same as this or similar to this one so you can really see it, okay? And then, so look closely at the materials that are not waterproof. Can you see why they are not waterproof? So again, also we kind of talked about this yesterday, that fabrics, if you put it in the water, it will get soaked and the water it will absorb water, and so it will, becomes wet. And um, paper is also not waterproof because it will absorb water, and if the water, if the paper will come contact with water, it will get soaked and becomes wet. And if you pinch it a little, there will be you can tear it easily, right? So here the best material to use to make for an umbrella is either a plastic. And for this experiment, they we can know that metal foil is the what waterproof. All right. Thank you so much for your time. That will be all for today, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.